Welcome to my YouTube channel. 1 byte equal to answer 8 bits. Question number 2. 1 KB equal to answer 1024 bytes. Question number 3. 1 GB equal to how many MB? Answer is 1024 MB. Question number 4. KB stand for? Answer is kilobytes. Question number 5. URL stand for? Answer equal to Uniform Resource Locator. Question number 6. What is Linux? Answer operating system. Question number 7. Where is RAM located? Answer motherboards. Question number 8. Who invented C++? Answer Manjaran startup. Question number 9. Computer reference shortcut key is? Answer is F5. Question number 10. What is the use of Control plus Z? Answer is for undo. Question number 11. The length of the IP address is? Answer is 32 bits. Question number 12. The length of MAC address? The answer is 48 bits. Don't forget like, share and comments. Question number 13. RAM and ROM are example of? The answer is storage device. Question number 14. Who invented Java? Answer is James Gosling. Don't forget like, share, comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.